Hello, this is Ashley Cockrell here at Vine Grove Elementary. We have had a great open house tonight. It's been a phenomenal turnout and we are so excited to have our kids back in the building at the start of the year. If you need anything, just contact us here at 270-877-5410. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Mr. Lundy from Vine Grove Elementary School. I'm the assistant principal. We're having a great night. We have a full gym full of people looking for bus information and t-shirts and Title I tables and For You Resource Lady, and we're just having fun. We're looking forward to a new year and getting started, and if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.
I'm LaDonna Koenig. I'm the cafeteria manager here at Vine Grove, and I'm here to tell parents that breakfast and lunch is both free this year. There's a green form that each child will be receiving for free and reduced lunches. Even though we are a free school, we still need parents to fill it out for federal funding.
Hi, I'm Miss Ovison. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Vine Grove Elementary, and we're just happy to have our students back this school year.
Hi, I'm Diane Brawley, and I'm here at Vine Grove trying to help them pick out what buses they ride this year. And if you have any questions, call 270-769-8964 and they can help you. And don't forget, you have to wear a mask on the bus this year again, and be patient. The first few weeks of school, it's hectic and everybody has to learn the route. And also remember, the first day of school, all elementary schools get out an hour early. So adjust for that, just the very first day of school.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Dowdell. We're here tonight selling t-shirts for our open house, and we're looking forward to having a great year.